Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install apps using downloader codes on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to use a downloader code. The first thing is to get the download application. You can do that with the embedded app store. So you just come to apps and then come to apps and games and search for downloader. By the way, I have a video on this channel showing you how to download and install the downloader application on Chromecast, so check that out and get the app. So you want the one from this particular source, AFTV News. So that's the app. You download and install it, and then you can use the app from there. So we're going to have the app already installed. That's the app right there. We're going to be using this app to download and install any application of choice with the code. So in this video, I'll show you how to download and install this application. So unlinked. So first, I'm just going to uninstall my app, showing you the entire process that legitimately the app is not going to be in the device, and then we're going to download and install the app using a downloader code. So I'm going to find the unlinked app. I'm going to take it out. So look, I've showed you how to uninstall an app as well on Chromecast. Now that you have the app uninstalled, you want to install the app, just go over to the download application. That's right there. Click on it. And I also had a video showing you how to use the app step by step. I'm just going to this pound icon and now click on it. And I'm going to put in the code for unlink. So 10381. And I'll click. And I'm going to remove that 0. That's an error. So 10381. Launch that and give it 5 seconds. It's going to redirect and get you a link. So this redirection link would go to downloader. Downloader will pick up the download and it's going to run that download for you ASAP. So you see the download is almost 100%. It's done. The app begins to install automatically. Just click on install. And if you are given a message saying allow unknown sources or allow an unknown app, what you need to do there is simply just go down the list and enable downloader. So turn downloader on and give it the permission to install apps from unknown sources or install an unknown app. From there, you could just open the application and enjoy. So that's it on how to use downloader codes to install apps on Chromecast. If that was insightful, was useful, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.